It's always good to be prepared for all the changes that life can bring our way. And today we've got an expert here on our show that can help you not only plan for retirement, but plan for your family's future as well. So today we are joined by Mr. Blake Harris, who is with Mile High Estate Planning, and he's going to walk us through some of the options as we discuss these difficult topics together. Let's kick things off with talking about the difference between a will and a trust, because a lot of folks have confusion there.
Well, it's great to be back on the show, Amelia. Absolutely. So a will is a document which allows you to do two things. First of all, it allows you to select who will receive your property when you pass away, and it allows you to nominate a guardian for your minor children. With a trust, you can do both of these as well, select who receives your property and nominate a guardian for any minor children, but you can do a lot more with a trust, such as avoid probate, protect your property from lawsuits, and avoid paying for the rising cost of long-term care.
Now, thanks so much for breaking down the difference there. You also mentioned avoiding probate. We need to know first what that means to us, and also some of those horror stories if we don't take steps now.
Sure. So there are two types of probate. There's probate after an individual passes away. This type of probate typically takes 1 to 2 years and can cost anywhere from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the size of the estate, the number of beneficiaries, and whether any disputes arise among beneficiaries, heirs, and creditors. The other type of probate is lifetime probate, and this occurs when an individual becomes incapacitated and their family needs to go through a guardianship and conservatorship. Lifetime probate can actually be a bit more expensive than probate after you pass away, because lifetime probate can go on for many years, or in some cases, decades.
And Blake, your company, Mile High Estate Planning, can help us avoid that probate situation. Is that correct?
Yes, absolutely. In some cases, in some unfortunate cases, the start of probate is the end of the relationship between the beneficiaries, between the children. So in order to avoid probate, the best solution in most circumstances is to create a revocable living trust. With a revocable living trust, I can give our clients the power to control their property while they are alive. Then after they pass away, that property will pass outside of the probate court to the beneficiaries. Then you can, with a revocable living trust, keep that property safe so that the beneficiaries don't lose it because of a lawsuit or a divorcing spouse. But also, we want to make sure to avoid lifetime probate as well. In order to avoid lifetime probate, every individual age 18 and older should have a complete set of incapacity documents. There are 4 documents which every adult should have. The first one is a financial power of attorney. A financial power of attorney allows another individual, in the event of your incapacity, to take over management of your financial affairs. The second one is a medical power of attorney. This gives your agent the ability to make medical decisions on your behalf. The third one is a HIPAA release. HIPAA is a federal law which protects the privacy of your healthcare. In the event that you become incapacitated, you want your agents to be able to access that protected healthcare information and share it with the doctors to make informed medical decisions. And then finally, a living will. A living will says that if you're in a permanent vegetative state, that you do want to have life support removed.
Oh gosh, and Blake, these are tough topics to discuss, but you're clearly an expert. So thanks for breaking all those differences down for us. As we start to wrap up here, we do want to talk about what really sets you guys apart. What makes Mile High Estate Planning so much different than the other teams that are out there?
Absolutely. Well, for one, myself and my team of attorneys, we all focus our practice exclusively on estate planning. We can help with everything from drafting a simple will to creating a revocable living trust to setting up an asset protection trust so that our clients don't lose their money because of lawsuits or in paying for the rising cost of long-term care. Not only do I consult with clients on a daily basis, I also perform continuing education where I teach other attorneys how to become estate planning attorneys. However, the main reason to hire our firm is because clients have a great experience when they work with us. And don't just take my word for it. Go online, Google Mile High Estate Planning, and read some of the countless number of 5-star reviews from current and former clients.
Awesome. Well, as we wrap things up here, Blake, tell us how we can get a hold of you guys and get the process started.
Absolutely. Feel free to pick up the phone and give us a call, or go online and contact us through our website, milehighstateplanning.com and schedule your free initial consultation. We have beautiful office space in downtown Denver, right next to Union Station with free parking, or we are available for online and Zoom consultations as well.
All right, Blake, thank you so much for providing us all this peace of mind. We'll see you soon.
Great being with you, Amelia.
An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of the cure when dealing with your future. Make sure your family is protected. Give Blake and his team at Mile High Estate Planning a call at 720-924-6171. His trained experts hold your hand through the process. Schedule your free consultation today.